Faithful and loyal, and without any deceit, just like one whom love has conquered. I shall have suffered my sorrows in peace, for never did I go complaining or rancorous. And I have loved long unloved, your noble body, lady, to whom I have given myself. And since mercy with you would be worth nothing to me, I shall depart. Not I, for I could not. Rather I shall wait, suffering and begging mercy, until from you I have some succor. For at the very least, the waiting will honor me, good lady, though I endure heavy affliction. For a noble, honored hope is worth far more than a shameful gift one was not content with. Therefore I shall be such a friend without resentment, until I call you without lying, beloved. Fair lady, I act like a fool, it seems, when in singing I recount your praises and the beauties by which you surpass the noblest. It would be better for me to go forgetting you, for pride grows in you and humility lessens, the more I go reminding you of your beauties and the high worth that is far above mine. Must I then speak ill? Not I, for I would lie. 1,000 times I shall have resolved in thought how I might beseech you, then fear holds me back. For your worth makes me forget, as happens to a man on the changing battlefield, who forgets what most occupies his mind. For I, when I see you, am utterly forgotten. But for this reason it pleases me, for it would be a fault if by asking I lost the fair company. Lady, I know well that in the face of your great worth, courage abounds in me and riches fail me. And if for this you would make complaint, you and love be it to my harm. And if for that, lady, you blame me because I am not rich, it will be wrong and a sin. For no wealth holds as much value in love's domain as a faithful heart without deceit. Worthy Countess, the name of so Byron is heard afar and exalted by all. Therefore I do not part from your lordship, nor shall I, as long as I may live.